Take a closer look, iPhone. Forged in titanium. iPhone 15 Pro is the first iPhone to feature an aerospace-grade titanium design, using the same alloy that spacecraft use for missions to Mars. Titanium has one of the best strength-to-weight ratios of any metal, making these our lightest Pro models ever. A17 Pro chip, a monster win for gaming. A17 Pro is an entirely new class of iPhone chip that delivers our best graphics performance by far. New Pro-class GPU with 6 cores, the biggest redesign in the history of Apple. It's here. A camera that captures your wildest imagination. From dramatic framing flexibility to next-generation portraits, see what you can do with our most powerful iPhone camera system. With iPhone 15 Pro, you have multiple focal lengths to work with. It's like having 7 Pro lenses in your pocket, everywhere you go. The 48-1080p main camera is more advanced than ever, capturing super high-resolution photos with a new level of detail and color. Shoot magical spatial videos, then relive them on Apple Vision Pro 120mm of pure Pro Zoom. The all-new Action button is a fast track to your favorite feature. Once you set the one you want, just press and hold to launch the action. Gigablast your gigabits. iPhone 15 Pro is the first iPhone to support USB 3.5 for a huge leap in data transfer speeds and faster Pro workflows than ever before. The new USB-C connector lets you charge your Mac or iPad with the same cable you use to charge iPhone 15 Pro. Bye-bye cable clutter. Even with so many advanced new features, battery life that's positively pro. iPhone 15 Pro still gives you amazing all-day battery life, up to 23 hours.